Okay, now I'm going to go over some basics about the bank feed. So if you go to banking on the left-hand side, this is one of the first things that I always do. I go to banking and I go to rules, and I always disable all of the rules. And then the next thing I'll do is I'll go to the chart of accounts. I'll have a quick look around at the chart of accounts, and I will ask the business owner, hey, are you set on these particular chart of accounts, or would you mind if I make a few adjustments? For example, if they have any bank accounts that we didn't already talk about, or if they have any credit cards or any loan accounts that we didn't already talk about, I would probably bring that up to them, say, hey, whenever I gave you a quote, you only sent me one checking account, but now you have two checking accounts on your balance sheet. Maybe this is an old account. Maybe it should be deleted, or maybe you forgot to send me those bank statements.